How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 Firebird 400. It's a California built car, super nice car. It's all PHS documented, numbers matching. It's got the original front bumper, the grills. A little bit of patina to the bumper, but very nice. Car's super slick down the side. It's Mayfair Maze Yellow, black interior. It's got your Rally 2s on it. Tell you, these 400 Firebirds are rare cars. The rear bumper looks real nice. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's all the original body panels and floors. It's had one repaint. Is the numbers matching 400, 4-barrel, power steering, power brakes. Thing runs perfect. Also, these 400 Firebird, they came with a 400 turbo trans from the factory. It's all on the PHS. It's had new door panels in it. Dash all real nice. Got the correct console and shifter. Headliner looks like it's also been replaced. Nice and tight. It's got the front and rear seat belts. Seat covers are new carpet. The rear door panels are the originals. Trunk's real nice in the car. It's got your factory spare and jack. I believe the rear bumper is the original also and looks excellent. Chrome's real nice on it. Does have factory tinted glass. We do have the California emissions pump and stuff that's been removed, but we do have it all. We have the original radio. It's been updated with AM/FM cassette stereo. Fires right up. Probably one of the nicest running Firebirds I've had. Got a nice dual exhaust all the way out the back. This car actually came with the dual exhaust. Backup lights, everything works. Tell you, it sounds real good out the exhaust. Good running, good driving car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.